So here are some of the other builds I have going on in my garage that are not crew cab Comanche related. I built this Chop Top XJ about 10 years ago, and it's kind of in a sorry state of needing a lot of updates. First thing I'm going to do is get rid of that old Dana 35 and Dana 30, and I'm going to toss on these nice Dodge 1-ton axles, add a 205 transfer case, and a set of 4 Fox coilovers, as well as a Rough Stuff Specialties front 4-link and rear 4-link and HD steering kit. Initially, this was sitting on 33s and Steelies, but now it's on some 30s or 31s, I think, maybe 30s. But initially it had a nice set of 33s. I still have the spare right here, but I ended up selling off the set of 4 tires when I sold my EV rock buggy build. And I was so happy with the Rough Stuff Specialties 4-link that I put on that one. I'm really excited to get a set onto here. And so I have my old work truck tires, which are 35s, and obviously they're going to fit that Dodge 1-ton bolt pattern. So I think that'll be a big improvement, and once I do some good modifications to this roll cage to hopefully make it a lot safer, grind out all my old welds when I was a little less proficient in welding, it should be a fun, safe vehicle for some moderate wheeling.